On today's episode, we're going to be installing JP3 Motorsports Battery Tray. Let's get to it. So with their kit, it comes with the negative wiring here. You're converting your SAE positive terminal to the bracket that they provide. Obviously, you get the hardware. Here's your bracket for negative, and then you got this awesome battery tray with the rotary symbol. And then here you have your two mounts that will go on the V mount. I'm not running a V mount. If you subscribe to me, you see why I'm not. And then this doesn't come with the kit, but this is the battery that this tray utilizes. This kit is primarily for V mount FD owners. I'm a person not running a V mount. I don't want to relocate my battery to the back, and I'm having a clearance issue with my air separator tank. So with that being said, let's get straight into doing the install. So there's two 10 mils that you'll remove. Once you take those out, then the factory terminal will just slide down, and then you'll be ready to install the new terminals that JP3 provided. Is you're going to put this plate on first, followed by the big guy, and then the factory harness, and then use the provided 10 mils that the kit offered, because they're just a tad bit longer. Next up is to trim closure here. I want to say you gotta take about that much off right before the clip. So we'll trim this, and then this should be able to close like it did when the other terminal was on. Now with your battery installed, you install the provided wires for the ground terminals. So obviously off the negative terminal to chassis. Then the second one I kind of ran differently. I have actually running to chassis ground. I believe in their picture they have it running under the coil pack. I don't want to do that because again, this is, you know, something that happened because of a clearance issue with my air separator tank. So again, I'm just running it straight to ground. My negative terminal, the SAE terminal, the factory one, you can just either get rid of it, but I took it a step further where I still wanted to incorporate it. So what I did is I actually cut off the SAE terminal, and then I bought a 4-gauge lug and pretty much crimped it and ran that to chassis ground too. So I have that, pretty much will complete the whole circuitry. And then additionally, Pettit Racing provide another ground strap, so I just ran this just for another ground, and that goes straight to here. What's left to do is, since I'm not running a V mount, the two other brackets that are with the kit I won't be running, obviously. Last thing we have is the positive terminal cover, and there you have it. And there you have it, everyone, the JP3 Motorsports Battery Tray install. I hope you guys found this very helpful. And with that being said, I hope you guys can give me a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one.